Purulia, the westernmost district of West Bengal, is the gateway between the developed industrial belts of the state and the neighboring states like Orissa, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh. Though demographically, Purulia is the face of India, which is known as the rural belt. As per 2011 census, 87.26% of total populations are residing in the rural areas and 12.74% are in urban areas.
গ্রামে বর্তমান অবস্থা এই বছরের ক্ষেত্রে খুব শোচনীয় অবস্থা। বছর বর্ষায় জল হয় না, খেতে কোনো কিছু আবাদ হয় নাই। সেই পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে আমরা এখন কাজের উপর নির্ভর করে জীবিকা অর্জন করছি।
In Purulia, almost 18.27% people are tribals, mostly dependent on fields, forests, and lands. Santals are one of the chief tribes of the region. They have a very rich cultural heritage, but how well are they? What does so-called development mean to them? The agriculture of Purulia is still dependent on monsoon, but due to the lack of rain this year, there is no sign of green in the fields. The tribal people take their domestic animals in the field to graze, which can be considered an alternative occupation, but that cannot be enough, of course. So the men of the families have to migrate far away to earn their breads, while the women take care of the seeds which they have to save for the year long. Though there is a hint of upliftment in the social structure, still some of them still dependent on primitive lifestyle to collect and gather foods. They often collect their foods from the fields, killing small fields animals like rats, or directly from the trees like palm or etc. They generally maintain a very low profile, and they are the son of the soil very aptly. Hats or local market days are something to them for which they cherish for. They pass the whole day in the market and buy or sell the products they prepare by their own at their houses. They worship the mother nature. Maranguru is their god. They don't believe in worshipping any idols. In their leisure time, they sing or dance, but all together. The basic of their existence is unity. The cockfight is very famous among them in the afternoons. They also play games like football in their pastime. But how well can a tribe live while his whole existence is at stake? They somehow can agree with the necessity of development, but of course not hurting the heart of their culture.
যদি একটা আদিবাসীর তার অস্তিত্ব যদি বজায় রাখে, তার চাই ঘরও চাই, রাস্তাও চাই, সব কিছুই চাই, কিন্তু এই যে জল জঙ্গল মাটি এই তিনটিকে সংরক্ষণ করে তার উন্নয়নের জন্য যতটা করতে হয় করুক, বাধা নেই। যে তাহলে প্রকৃতির পূজারী যদি হয় সাঁওতালরা, আর তাদের প্রকৃতিকে যদি ধ্বংস করা হয়, তাহলে সেই সাঁওতাল জাতির আমার মনে হয় কোনোদিন তাদের উন্নয়ন হবে না।
So, we will hope that there will be peace and calmness in their life. The ultra-modern culture will not destroy these primitive inhabitants of our country. Their children can continue study in their own language. A new sun will rise, breaking the gloominess.